All right, one of my favorite setups for this time of the year, you can see right here, we got the stacker up here on top and then the bait head down below. You know, the stacker is going to allow you to have that double jig setup where you're just going to have the ease to tie 3 knots and you got it right there. You can have these pre-rigged at home, put them on a Carolina rig roll, paper towel roll, something ingenuitive, have them all ready. So today we're going to try and see if we can figure out exactly what's working better, whether a live shiner or a dead one. So we're going to utilize the stacker. We're going to switch them up, put one on each, kind of change it around. Hopefully here over the next little bit, we're going to figure out the question, which one do they want better on this given day, live or dead? All right, so we've got the live one on the stacker and the dead one on the bottom. That'll kind of keep you from getting hung up if you'll put your dead bait on the bottom. Kind of acts as a pendulum. If you put your live one on the very bottom, a lot of times he'll get a little run around area and then he'll have you hung up. See right here, you can tell they're wanting to be on the bottom of this right here. You can see my stacker jig going right down into it there, but where it's the brightest right there is where those fish are wanting to set. Oh boy, I think we've got us one. Look at there. Look which one he chose. He knocked the top one off there, but he bit the bottom one, which was the dead bait. So that just goes to show you, just because you used to always use live bait, there's a time and a place for dead bait as well. Make him look giant.